So what are AI prompts? A prompt generally is a kind of text, which is a combination of instructions plus context. We always need to give a proper instruction plus a background or plus a context within our query itself, so that AI can understand and can give us the desired result we are looking for. Now, it might not give you the desired result at one go itself. You might need to go ahead and rephrase or recreate your instruction, your prompt to suit what result you are expecting from the AI. As of today, there are some of the pre-built models which are already shared by Microsoft to us, such as classification of text. If you go ahead and type in any of the text, it can give you the classification it belongs to. For example, which category does this blog belong to? Right? It could be technology, it could be lifestyle, it could be education, it could be any other as well. These categories also should be provided by the user who wants to categorize the text within. Then we have sentiment analysis. Sentiment is basically generally in positive, negative, or neutral. I'll give you an example. Let's say I am not happy today. In general, the sentiment of this is negative, right? Then the other one is rewriting the content. This is kind of in a way where you give a prompt, you give a text to it, and then you request the AI. We always request, we don't order AI. So we request the AI to give us a rewritten content, and it can actually help you making it in a better way. It could be grammar, it could be spell checks, it could even elaborate it. It could add its own links as well to it, right? To give it a better kind of a vibe, I would say. Then summarizing the information. There is a lot of information available on the internet. We can always take out some of the chunk of the information and we can request AI to go ahead, please summarize it for us, whether it should be in bullets, whether it should be in a tabular format. As much as we are giving the proper instructions to the prompt, it will give us the result in that particular way. Extracting the certain information from a certain text. Now, what is this information? We always need to tell it. Drafting a response. So basically, this is kind of an AI reply. If you are about to ask something and you are thinking, if someone has asked you a question and you think, should I go ahead with this reply, what I have written? If not, then you can always give this question to AI. It can give you a better answer to it. It could be better, it could be not. It's up to you to decide whether you want to use the response which is shared by AI for your purpose or not.